Something strange is happening. The air is crackling with tiny zaps.
Whoa! My hair's gone wild!
It's like the balloon's magic!
Static electricity. Rubbing gives the balloon an extra charge. Opposites attract. The charged balloon pulls light paper bits.
Stay curious. Science is full of zaps.
Looks like you've discovered the shocking side of science. Let's scan that balloon with my charge detector. Hold still. This isn't dangerous. It's static electricity, nature's tiny zapper. Rub the balloon, electrons jump, hair stands, safe science fun. Tap my light bulb, watch it glow when charges gather. Learn by play. Stay curious. Science sparks everywhere. See you in the next zap. Whoa there! Let's keep the fun under control. Okay, science time. Watch the hair. Static happens when electrons jump from one surface to another, like when you rub a balloon on your hair. See the bulb glow? That's charge at work. Try socks, sweaters, balloons. Just spark smart. Experiment, laugh, and stay safe. Spark Doctor approved.
When things rub together, some materials steal electrons and others give them up. That's what makes sparks. Static is a quick zap. Current is a steady flow through a wire. We use steady current to power lights, gadgets, and experiments. Stay curious and zap safely.
Same charges repel. Opposites attract. That's how lightning forms in clouds. Billions of tiny charges.
Shrink down and fly with me inside a storm cloud. Wind spins, ice tumbles, tiny charges start to pile up. Inside a cloud, static builds up from wind and ice rubbing together until, boom, lightning. But don't worry, this kind of static is harmless. Keep exploring. Electrician's assistant toy turns science into play.
Want to try safe static science at home? Float tissue paper. Rub, hover, and watch it dance. Stick a balloon to the wall. Static is the secret. Make aluminum foil jump. Tiny hops with a charged balloon. Always with dry hands and adult supervision. Try it in class or at home. Safe, silly science.
Welcome to the shocking challenge. Who can make the biggest hair zap? Meet the electrician's assistant toy. This is the safest kind of shock. It's science fun, not danger. Ready, kids? Grab balloons, rub, 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 and watch the static magic rise. Hair up, show it off. Wild zaps, mega laughs, science victory. Try it at home, families. Safe, sparkly learning. Shockingly safe, seriously fun.
Static is just a quick jump of energy. Real electricity flows steadily through circuits. That's what powers your home. Safety first. Never mix real outlets with experiments.
Ready to zap? Meet the electrician's assistant toy, learning that lights up.
Zap to the left, zap to the right. Science makes your world so bright.
Zap to the right!
Join the static dance, learn by moving, play with power.
Class, ready to shrink? We're diving inside an atom. Hold tight. Every zap you feel is just tiny electrons moving around. Electricity is energy in motion. Static electricity is a quick burst, like a mini spark that jumps. Current is a steady stream of electrons that keeps the light glowing. When electrons move, energy moves. That's how electricity powers our world. Remember, static, short burst. Current, steady flow. Science is awesome. Let's keep exploring. We learned how rubbing things creates static, why lightning zaps the sky, and and how electricity powers your life safely. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep your sparks fun, not frightening. Next time, I'm diving into a power overload. Like, subscribe, and stay charged.